Hey everyone, I'm Nicole Hemrick and I'm the managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley PLLC. Tonight I want to talk about the CBP-1 app. This is something you might have heard come up if you tuned in to the vice presidential debate. This is a tool that actually was created during the Trump administration that allows non-citizens to register for an appointment to approach the border. You can access this app by going to cbp.gov or just Googling the CBP-1 app. So what kind of appointments might you want to get? If you're a Canadian, for example, you might be looking for a TN visa appointment. You might need an appointment because you don't have an entry document. This might be a useful tool for people, for example, who would like to claim asylum in the United States and otherwise don't have a specific timeline to approach the border. You can use this tool to get an appointment up to 21 days in advance of your proposed trip to the United States. How do you get this app? Again, you'll go to cbp.gov. I'm just going to share my screen for a moment. So here we're looking at a site, www.cbp.gov/user_guide_dash user_traveler-land-submit_advance_English_508.pdf. Now that was a mouthful, but anyway, the point is if you just type in CBP-1 app in your browser, the information about the app is going to come up. And there's an informational packet at the site that tells you where and how to get the app. There's a QR code so that you can get this in your App Store or Google Play Store. And then it tells you how to actually register yourself in the app, how to submit information about yourself in advance of your arrival to the port of entry. You can put in different travelers. You can select a language. You can input your photo, scan your passport in, fill out biographical information about yourself, and so on and so forth. This is all to simplify the process when you actually approach the border and have your appointment. What if you want to apply for asylum? First of all, at port of entry and CBP officers have to inspect and evaluate all individuals to determine the appropriate processing disposition for them. Just so you know, CBP officers do not adjudicate asylum claims. If it seems that somebody has an asylum claim, CBP will refer them to USCIS for a credible fear interview. At the end of the credible fear interview, assuming that the person was found to have a credible fear, the applicant will be issued a notice to appear in removal proceedings. That's to have a hearing with a judge and to have the opportunity to seek relief, including asylum or other protection, in front of the immigration judge. Other things you can do through this app are to check border wait times, to check your trusted traveler program status, to get an I-94, to get a provisional I-94 prior to arriving to the land border crossing. And this will allow the traveler to experience faster processing into the United States. So that said, if you are going to be coming to the United States with or without an entry document, please check out this app and hopefully it will make your experience coming into the United States that much smoother. If you have questions about this or any other immigration question, give us a call at 833-848-7838 or check us out online at www.hemrick.law.